G'day mates, it's day 29. We're at the Denmark Good Food Factory. Steph and Boss are over there because they've got a dog exercise area. So I'm going to go in and see what we've got. Apparently we've got ciders and other bits and pieces. Get some breakfast and then we'll go and explore because we've just gone down to Parry Beach and got a site there, so we've got somewhere to stay. Now it's a matter of going in here and having a look.
There.
Find a friend, Boss.
Yeah.
I love the high body version of the Labradors
That's his lead.
though. Yeah, he walks himself all the time.
What are you doing?
Just checking my triage.
Exciting. This is the food that we've got. We've got it was meant to be a half marrow, but they've given us two. Part of Boss's hair's in it already. Mate, you have fun running around? And now he's behaving because he wants some food. Yeah, it's a good little setup here. Are you excited about your burger?
I am, but I'm also excited about the jam and the pasta sauce that I acquired. Did you acquire some cider?
Yeah, I've got some cider.
Check.
That's the best thing. You're not going to go without that.
Gin, cider, what more do we need?
What do you want, Boss? Other than food?
He's already got pig's ears in the car.
Well, I have to say that I rate that pretty highly. What do you reckon?
Agree.
Yeah. Very decent burgers at, where is it? Denmark, what's it called? Denmark Food.
The Toffee
What's-
Factory,
Yeah.
the Good Food Place, and they do cider as well.
Yeah.
So it's like three things in one. Elephant's Rock Cider Company, the Toffee Factory, and Good Food.
Yeah. All of which seem to be done very well. You can get samples of toffee and stuff when you're in there.
Espresso toffee.
Espresso toffee, that'll be pretty good.
And then
Also dog friendly. So, oh yeah, there's the cider. Hold on. Camera's not focusing, it's too much light.
pear cider.
Got some pear cider. It's called Parry cider. And
and some jam for Joseph.
yeah, got some more jam for young Joseph. And now we're going to go and do, I think we're going to go back into Denmark. The actual township, and then go and check out a tourist drive. The weather looks like it's actually starting to clear up a little bit, which is good. And don't really need to eat anything because we're pretty full. So the other good thing is, obviously, as you probably saw, it's dog friendly. You can have dogs there if you're having a feed. They've also got a little dog exercise area, so if you're travelling with a dog, it's a really good spot that you can stop off.
And if you love Labradors, they have a chocolate lab who's very friendly and loved playing with Boss.
Yeah, which you'll see in the video, so we would have seen already. Keep calm and support your local butcher, which is what, well, they're not our local butcher, but Denmark, WA. It's got some snags, got some pork belly, so we can ride out this apocalypse. Everyone needs to calm down. Well, now we've got some food for the next couple of nights. We're going to go and check out, is it called Scottsdale Tourist Drive? Scottsdale Tourist Drive, just outside of Denmark. Went into the local IGA here, just out of curiosity. No toilet paper, no hand sanitizer. Pretty weird to see. But anyway, we're going to go and enjoy the area, and if you can, go and spend money at small businesses because they're the ones that are going to need it now. We went through the Scottsdale Tourist Drive, and now we've found this farm gate place. Let's see if they got some fresh fruit, boost the immunity. Steph's going to give Boss a drink. Has a drink outside the car. I'm going to go down and have a look at, I think, Ocean Beach. Yeah, the Scottsdale Tourist Drive was mainly wineries and things like that, which we've already got wine, we've already got booze, so we're going to go do some other things. Some massive unit zucchinis, garlic, grapefruit, pickled onions, country style jams. Oh, I've got some raspberries in here. beetroots, some greens. Might just get some raspberries, that'll do us for today. We got succulents and stuff here, but obviously it's not something we need. Here we go, Kenton Farm, raspberries. Make sure you dose the honesty box. Apparently my phone was upside down. Get back in the car and keep going. Well, this is where we've ended up now. Potty Lane, Ocean Beach. A little jetty. Just took Boss on, just hoping he doesn't jump in the water. Boat ramp. Pelicans. Bit murky in the water, just because it's so weedy. Looks like it'd be a good spot to fish though, pretty easy. Birds. Boss can see the water through there and he's freaking out. And we're camping sort of up past where those wind turbines are. So, good sign, blue sky over there. Better than the sky over here. This is Lights Beach. Now apparently down to the left of there you can actually take dogs, it's a dog exercise area. But on the same sign it says, to the right is a national park that we bait regularly. So we're going to take that risk. Given that this hound doesn't really like his muzzle yet. And it's not a very nice thing for a dog to have to go through that. So just going to enjoy the view and go back to the camp and see if we can take Boss for exercising there. This is the road in to get to Lights Beach and Ocean Beach. I just thought it was somewhere where I was going to get murdered by Steph because she's had enough of me. But so far I'm still alive.
At the moment.
This is Hillier's Beach, or Hillier's Bay. Next to where you go in, go down to the Parry Beach campground. So it'd be alright fishing spot too, it's pretty deep holes. We're just here to exercise the boss. Hey, what are you doing? Now I'm gonna have to clean that up. Horrible. It's an interesting little spot. Not too hard to get down to. Definitely, again, you wouldn't be able to do it in a Toyota Corolla unless you're crazy. Yeah, good little bay. Bit of a shame we didn't bring a sandboard. It's like the prime spot for it. Boss. Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. You gotta slow down, mate. He's going for a surf. This is the end of the bay. Well, we can kind of go around the next spot, but I think Boss will follow me around if I do that, and not too keen on having to catch him when he goes in. It's a good little spot to bring your dog. What do you reckon, Boss? Mate, what do you think? He likes it. We'll walk back soon and go back to the camp. Yeah, so we've walked to the end now, and Boss the mountain goat is on a mission. I don't think he understands that if he has to get up somewhere, he's going to come back. Oi! Boss! Come back! Hey! Come back! Good boy, come back! Come back, mate. You got up there, you got to figure out how to get down. He's got it. You have to put it in low range, mate. This is the road that we took in. It's a little bit soft in the center, which I'm just going to chew out so I don't have to scratch the side of the car as much. You can hear all the sensors going off because they think that I'm going to hit something. It's not actually that bad. It's pretty hard ground. A couple of soft spots, but nothing to worry about. Good bit of fun driving. On Parry Beach. Boss is just into the cuttlefish bones. Apparently these tractors over here are for salmon. There's guys waiting to watch for salmon to come in to net them. We're just going to wander along for a bit and then go back and probably cook a feed. Call it a day. Plan out what's going to happen tomorrow.